Hey guys, welcome back to Tosh Kicks. I have an incredible video for you today. I got some unboxing to do or some unwrapping to do, and this time around is really special. I got one shoe that I've been waiting for the last 10 years, an iteration of it. That is, I got a product that was sent to me. I've been trying to get my hands on it for a while, just because of what it is and the science behind it, and the fact that it can help me preserve some of my grails. Right? I've got so many shoes here. I've got some shoes that are worth £2,000-3,000, which if they start to go yellow, then I will lose money, right? So without further ado, let's get into this unique unboxing where I'm going to show you a variety of different shoes. I'm going to show you this shoe that I've been waiting for the last 10 years. Welcome back to Tosh Kicks. This is packet that came from my new friend Danny, who is the CEO and founder of CapSole, and he sent this to me all the way from the States, right? And I reached out to him on Instagram. I follow them on Instagram because I like what they're doing. It wasn't even a gift me this. It was, I love what they're doing. And he said, you know what? You like what I'm doing too, so let's work together and let's get this thing to the guys in the UK. The guys in America already have this, but we don't have this in the UK. And I'm trying to make sure you guys in the UK are aware of this, because I know there's a lot of sneakerheads in the UK that spend so much money on sneakers, and the last thing you want to do is have a pair of sneakers or shoes that then go yellow. I mean, going yellow in a pair of shoes is probably the most heartbreaking thing you can ever have. But this company have the science to show you that they can prevent this. Look at this. I mean, the presentation already is incredible. You can see the CapSole there, wear, preserve, and store at the back, as you can see, and it comes with a catcher there. If I open this up, you can see, oh, another velvet pouch. My God, Danny didn't get me ready for this level of quality, right? I wasn't sure what's going on, but this is amazing. So there you go. This comes in there. You can see this massive pouch there. This is obviously because of my shoes, because I'm a size 11, you get this pouch. And then what you do is you put your shoes in here, you zip it up, and then you attach one of these to it, one of these canisters into it, and then that protects your shoes, and you can store it for as long as you need to. Actually, you know what, I got two. Oh my God, Danny smashed it. Gave me 2 packs, right? So I could put 2 shoes in there. Now what's happening now is I've got this pair of shoes coming that I've been waiting for again for a long time. And I'm going to do a demonstration video. So not today, because this is an unboxing. I'm going to do a video where I'm going to put those shoes in here live with you guys, into my bag, put the canisters on. You get the canister there, and you get this little tube on there. I'm going to put all the links how to buy this. But if you don't want your shoes to go yellow, if you want to protect your shoes and protect your prized possessions, because these shoes, some of them are investment, they'll be worth a lot of money, you need CapSole. If you put your shoes in the CapSole pack, trust me, it will slow down all the aging process and be able to preserve your shoes. I'm going to do a whole video dedicated to this with 2 of my grails. I'm going to try and protect them from anything, and we'll track it as well. And for you guys who are loyal Tosh Kicks supporters, I have a special code for you as well. Tosh15 on the CapSole website, which I'm going to put a link below, gives you 15% off. Apart from the subscriptions, that's different because obviously they send that to you every month. But if you're doing a one-off purchase or buying a few, you get 15% off, which can add up. Right? Well, yeah, shout out to you, CapSole. I'll put all the links down below. I'll put a link to how to do it in the description as well. Let's keep it going. In typical fashion, I have no idea what this is. But I want to rush and open the box quickly. Right? I have no idea what I'm doing. It's a unique unboxing today, so I'm not just unboxing hype shoes. I'm literally unboxing the pickups I've had. So up there are doing a great sale at the moment. Unfortunately, they don't ship Jordans into the UK, but Asics they do. And there you go, that's the card I have there from them. And let's have a look at this Asics. I'm on my Asics craze at the moment, so I'm gonna see if I can pick up the one I've been wanting. I've got the Asics, the Zhang one. I haven't quite sent that back yet. I'm trying to see if I still fall in love with it or not. But obviously the Asics everybody loves is the gel Kianos, which I don't have a single pair. Even my son has one before me, but we'll put it out right now. This is the gel Kiano 14 black and lemon spark. As you can see, Bush. In my size, US 12, UK 11. I'm so grateful Asics marry the Nike sizing, not like New Balance. They do the Adidas sizing. Asics in its beautiful and plain brown box. Let's have a look. This is a shoe that sells for $150. I paid £85 including postage. From upthere.com. This is not sponsored. I'm just putting you guys on. I got a deal. You might as well get a deal. Have a look at it quickly. Yo, okay. So it's not quite the clean one that everybody's used to, but I'm here for this shoe, you know, I can't lie to you. Look at it. Oh my God, it's purely mesh with the silver hits, the gel sole, gel Kiana 14 there in gold. It's like a gold medal shoe. Check me out in the runner. And they got the black mesh everywhere. I've got the yellow hits and the black hits, and they got a bit of translucent parts of it as well. The gel sole, which I'm getting used to now because this is like my second Asics. Asics inside there, Asics Gel Kiana 14. And for £86, boy, you can't go wrong with this. Obviously, man-made synthetic material here and all black mesh everywhere you look. So, I mean, gel at the back, yes. So I don't think this is one of the better colorways because there's a better colorway which is more transparent, or it's more white and sail, which my son has. But you know what? For £86, can't go wrong with this. Maybe I should give this as a giveaway. Nah, giving it for myself. Psych! Let's go to this one next. We've got a pull tab though, which is, oh my God, I love a pull tab. BSTN. Okay. So guys, so you know, I'm doing a series very shortly. Well, not a series, I'm doing a video very shortly to show you the best places to cop shoes. I'm going to rank them, all the apps, cop shoes for hype shoes, hype releases, raffles. I'll tell you which one is a waste of your time, which one you could probably win on. And as you know, I got a lot of shoes, and I'll be honest with you, about 80% of my shoes I bought for retail. I'm going to put you on in terms of how to get those shoes for retail. Trust me, that's coming. Anyway, BSTN in there. Thank you for sending this to me. Not for free, I paid for it, but hey, I want it and I'm grateful. I'm fully on this runner trail now. Jordan are not going to be happy with me, but you don't want me to be happy, send me some free shoes. How about that? USA 12, USA 12, UK 11 and a half. Oh yes, boy. As you know, last week, I think I showed off two shoes from this series. The Absorb 2000. This is the last colorway in that release. And yeah, this is a beautiful, beautiful shoe. Wow. This is probably my favorite one. Then the blue one, then the black one. This is beautiful. You got this, obviously I'm not going to go into too much detail about it, but you got the unique sole again compared to the 1960. Then instead of the black or the blue, you got predominantly a grey and white colorway, which is very, very clean. But yeah, I'm still going to do that challenge, right? Where I'm going to wear the Absorb 2000 for 2 weeks straight. Dump runs, school runs, everything runs. I'm going to put, even to work, I'm going to wear this. When I get to the office, I'll put my shoes on. When I get in the car, I'll put this on. But I want to document it and we'll see how this holds up. Before I wear this, spray the hell out of it with this, right? Smash the Crep Protect on this. Then you can wear the white shoe comfortably and your shoe will be fine. Again, I'm going to put the link to the Crep Protect spray and everything else in the comments, in the description section. If you use that link, it takes you straight to Crep Protect. In fact, if you win a shoe from Tosh Kicks on the monthly giveaways, you get some free wipes in there. How about that for sharing the love? How about that? I'm going to go see this one next. This is from asphaltgold.com. It's an international. Look how big this box is. There we go. Oh yeah, finally yours. Thanks for choosing us for your purchase. I love this little things, you know. Offspring smash it, and these guys are doing bits as well. Asphaltgold.com comes with this little poster there saying "Together Forever." Asphalt Gold. All right. I got a return form. They know what I'm like. If I don't like it, the shoe's going straight back. So got this massive Adidas box, and I know what it is. And yeah, I've been waiting for this. And I promised you guys in my sneaker news I was going to pick this up. A man of my own word. It's probably this shoe. You probably don't need a Crep Protect for this though, but everything else you do, but not this one. I'll tell you why, because let's open it up. This is the Comical laced US 11.5, UK 11. And there you go, in this beautiful black and glossy box. Stunning. Ooh, don't drop the box. See, this box is too big, boy, for what it is. Let's open this up together. Oh, I forgot about the aluminium looking package. If you win this shoe, this is how it comes, right? If it doesn't come like this, or it comes in a flimsy bag, you know you've been had. I think I need the scissors. Oh, I don't need the scissors. Don't need the scissors. Oh, yo, this is the glorious grey Climber Cool. Oh my God. You know what? Let me show you the other one. So I'm not gonna flip it over just because I've worn this and I need to clean it. I'm gonna run it through using the Crep Protect brush and spray to clean this out, but as you can see, it's dirty on the bottom because I wear my shoes. But as you can see, so this is the one without the lace in the Sail colorway. This is the Glorious Grey. I was going to buy this Sail one with the laces, but I thought I've already got this. I don't need this. And you know, I am right. I don't need this, but I do need this Glorious Grey. I'll be honest with you, it's more purple than grey. It is definitely more purple, like a very light lilac, sorry, with the black laces. 3D printed shoe. Give it a 360 of this. Yeah, really nice shoe. I've started wearing the other one, and I'll be honest with you, when I wore that one, it stopped traffic, you know, not literally, but people were like, what's that? What's that? So I'm sure the grey one will have the same effect as well, probably a bit more wearable. I love the laces as well. So yeah, those two shoes are going to be my go-to shoes in the summer months. Yeah, but that's a really good shoe. Second to the last shoe. So this one, I know what it is because it's from DHL. Guys, if you want to pick up any shoes that I've unboxed today, click on the link in the bio. Click on the link in the description. I'm going to put every single shoe as an individual short link to my StockX account, so you can pick them up. So click on the link to take you straight to StockX and you can buy it straight away. The CapSole one, 15% off. I'm going to put that link there as well. But this shoe came from my friends at StockX. Somebody paid $25,000 for this shoe. $25,000 for this shoe. Someone paid for it. I don't know if they got a refund, because I would imagine they did. Putting the Adidas bag away. But $25,000, I paid £200. But yeah, if you don't know, you should know this beautiful black blue side. I'll turn it around. It's an A6 with dessert on top and Vandy the pink shoe. So you know what this is, right? Let's have a look. So Gel Nimbus. So yeah, Gel Nimbus 10.0. You see the 14 Kiana 14s I did. This is on the Nimbus Silhouette 10.0. Ivory Pineapple Slice. Oh my God, that's the colorway, man. Woof. Making me hungry for dessert, bro. It's quite warm as well. I can smash a nice ice cream pineapple slice right now. Atmos, oh, it's Atmos Vandy the pink, 25th anniversary. If I tell you I'm gassed for this shoe, yeah, would you believe I got this shoe for £200 off StockX? There's deals on StockX, you know. Just put a cheeky bid. Trust me. You just never know. £201 I paid for this shoe. Someone paid $25,000. Yo, B, let's get out of the box. Okay. Yo, you know what? I think it's hard for A6 to be cute in my size, you know. It's quite long, isn't it? Well, this is the banana split. I think banana split colorway is called. Something like that anyway. Banana colorway. There's a pink one, which I don't have. I don't think I'm going to go for it, to be fair. I think I'm okay with this one. As you can see, you got the gel on the bottom, which I'm getting used to. It's a brown, in the outsole brown gel grey with some hints of red or maroon tracing through it. And you got the midsole in the gel-like, and again the Sail. And then the upper primarily made out of mesh, and the silver hits, as you can see. So you got the silver hits, which is obviously man-made material there, and you got the yellow tracing it beautifully across it, hence the banana colorway, the strawberry colorway, obviously strawberry. And then you got the obviously predominantly, again, like the gel Kianos, is mainly mesh, which is where the superb comfort comes from. If you've got wide foot like me, the comfort is important. Then you got this man-made material. I don't actually know what this material is, but you got it all across the shoe. You've got a very interesting lace there, which is like an ice cream-esque lace. Like, I've seen a couple of shoes with ice cream. They tend to go for this really woolly lace. The issue with this lace is it attracts dust like there's no man business. At the back you got gel, and you got the pink on the top there, and inside the shoe you got the Atmos A6 Atmos Vandy the pink in a pink insole. Altogether a lovely shue. It comes with an additional lace, which is a black and white, off-white lace. Yeah, Vandy the pink. On one side is pink, the other side says Vandy the pink, but in a yellow colorway to correspond with the, I guess, the pineapple slice or the banana. So you got the banana colorway there and the strawberry version there. And if you feel like you want a shoe that looks like a dessert, it's this shoe. Beautiful shoe, staying in the collection. I might even wear it to a sneaker event. The last shoe, this is the shoe I've been waiting for the last 10 years. I think, is it 10 years? I don't know. Anyway, as you know, if you follow my page and you pay attention to everything I do, my favorite silhouette of all time is Jordan 1. I don't care what Jordan 4 comes out. I don't care what anything comes out. There's no shoe better than the Jordan 1, period. I don't care, right? It's inspired so many shoes, so many designer shoes. Jordan 1 is simply and utterly incredible. And this is one of them I've been waiting for. Offspring with the packaging, incredible as always. Shout out to Offspring. Again, I'm doing the list of where to get all the hype shoes from. I'm gonna rank them as well. And here's a spoiler alert, Offspring ranks really highly. Shatter backboard, as you can tell, look at the box. The box is tremendous, right? Probably one of the best boxes I've seen this year. And I've seen a lot of boxes because I do a lot of unboxing on my channel, but this is special. Look at that. You've got the idea of the shatter glass all over the box lid and all over the box, right? Orange, the orange Nike tick there, and this is USA 12, UK 11. We've got the lift up lid as well. Even better. Have a look at this. We've got the paper there. Again, this is another shoe that I feel I have to do an in-depth review. I don't care who you are, your Jordan 1 collection is not complete without this colorway. Literally that simple. Paper comes off, and there we have the shoe. And I've listened to everybody, all the people I follow, Jay the Sneaker Guy, Seth Fowler, the DNA Show. I'm fair, Lafa Broski gave a very balanced view. It was, oh my god, the quality against last year in 10 years. Listen, I don't care, innit? How about that? I don't care, right? This shoe looks incredible. Got the orange hits on the outsole. Ooh, oh, it smells so good. Orange hits on the outsole. You got the midsole, which is like a cell midsole, onto the actual shoe itself, onto the actual mid part of the shoe, which the leather looks quite tumbled. I don't know what. Let's use this one instead. Yeah, the leather's tumbled. Can you see it? Can you see the tumbled leather right there? With the black swoosh, and then the toe box. Okay, the actual toe box itself, the orange leather is quite plush. You can see the bounce back there. You can see it's quite. It feels soft to hand to touch as well. Now, the only part I can agree with in terms of maybe a cheaper leather is the black leather surrounding it. It feels quite plasticky. It doesn't feel great. But predominantly, the white is really premium, and the orange is premium as well. As quality goes, I would say it's mid-tier. It's not quite high tier, but it's mid-tier, but mid-high tier. Now, it might not be at the level where it was when it was released initially, but this is really cool. Now, in terms of an OG colorway, this is not an OG colorway. This is a colorway that probably a lot of people love this colorway. A lot of people think outside of the OG colorway, so the Breads, the Chicagos, the UNCs, the Black Toes, this is probably number 5, right? In terms of a colorway, this shatter backboard, this starfish orange is called. The history behind this shoe is this is when Michael Jordan had a slam dunk and broke all the shatter backboard when he was doing an exhibition game in Italy, playing for a TS team. And this is a TS. This is color of their jersey, black and orange, and they've just inspired it. And this shoe is spawned. This shoe is spawned the reverse one, which is more white than black, and then it's got the metallic one, which I also have in a collection, which I love. People don't really like it, but I love it a lot. Anyway, this is the Jordan 1 2025 shatter backboard, starfish orange, whatever you want to call it, and I'm here for this. There'll be an in-depth review of this shoe coming soon. I absolutely love this shoe. I'm so happy to have it. I paid full retail for it. A lot of people are predicting this will sit. It's not currently sitting in some sizes, but it's not going to hit this. It's not hitting the sale rack yet. To my guys in America, it's not out in your country yet. I think that is shock drop, but this is not released yet. But I absolutely love this shoe, and this shoe is going to stay in the collection. But yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching this unboxing. I try to make it quite snappy because I don't want to drag it out. I will be doing an in-depth review of some of the shoes on here. If there's any other one you want to see, put it in the comments. I'll be doing this. Obviously, I'll be doing that as well, and obviously, I'll be doing my little number here as well. But if there's anything outside of those 3 you want to see, put a link in the comments. The CapSole review is coming soon. We're going to do that together. We're going to put into one of my most expensive shoes, put in the CapSole, and hopefully it's going to preserve it. It's not hopefully, it's actually going to do that. And I love you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care of yourself, and God bless.